How to remove security alert in Messenger. If any day you are a Messenger user and you would like to remove the security alert in Messenger but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to find the Messenger application on your mobile device. After you find the very Messenger application on your mobile device, you have to tap on that. And after you tap on that, you can see that the Messenger will be launched on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the three lines on the top and then go to the gear-like settings icon. After you go to the settings icon, now you have to just scroll down and then go to the option of privacy and safety. After you tap on the option of the privacy and safety, now you can see the interface like this. Now in order to remove the security alerts, what you can do is you can just disable it. For that, you can go to the option of save website browsing. You can just disable it. Likewise, you can disable all of the options here which is shown, and this way you can just disable the security alert as well. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.